live streaming.
That's real here.
So yeah, this is the California train museum.
What are they doing? They're doing.
Blakey, say hi. Blake, say hi. No? You want to go upstairs?
Blakey, this way. Blakey, this way.
Want to take a picture of us?
Sure.